Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another stream. So today we need to do some more work for the store NPCs. So let me go over to the main screen. Okay, so as you can see, there's a little bit of a change. I don't know if you can work it out, but let's see if you can work it out. What has changed? So let me just jump in game and show you. So everything might look a little bit more cleaner to you, but the wall was like a little bluish sort of thing, but I changed it to white. So that looks a lot better. There's also some other tile changes. So changing this to the white actually helped out here. Also added the white tiles to the bathroom instead of the medical room, which has actually got blue tiles. I'll show you that in a second. But before, I was worried about the transition from that to that. It didn't look bad, but this actually makes it look better. It actually doesn't even, you know, no one's going to tell that, you know, this is a totally different wall compared to these types of walls type of thing. But as you can see, the bathroom looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. It also helps me line these up a little bit better. But, well, the showers, I should say, not the bathroom. But we've also got, if you haven't seen the commissary, I'll show you quickly. We've got this type of, but as you can see, everything looks cleaner. Like, let me see if I can show you what it looks like more than anything. Like, we could add dirt, like some dirt to the walls and stuff. But let me see if I can show you here. As you can see, it just looks like it's a brand new paint job. You know, brand new white, brand new black type of thing. So it's like, you know, brand new floor. You could argue that this is like a brand new prison type of thing, but I think it looks a lot better with the white, especially without the green floors. This looks a lot better. So let me go over to the medical. I'll show you the medical, but the medical's got blue tiles now, which I think looks pretty cool. But yeah, so those are the map changes. But what we need to do is, let me show you, we've actually got a list. So this is what we need to do today. We need to reposition the interrogation room. I don't like the look of it. And also we need to add scale to the pickups. Where is it? Number A. So as you can see, this pickup, see that can, it's actually not, it's actually fairly big, and you can't really tell unless I do this. If I go, if I grab a character mesh, like, that's a pretty big, like, can of food, you know what I mean? And like for these, so these types of situations, this would need to be scaled down type of thing. But what we need to do is we need to add that scale logic to the pickup, so then it goes to the right scale. We can put that in the data table pretty much. So then there's that. That's what we need to do as well. And also the top bar, I'll show you what I mean here. So as you can see, we'll leave him there for now. But as you can see, there's a top bar here. If I go like this, where is it, watermark? As you can see up here, we've got the currency and we've got the cards up here. So this is like how much money, you know, how much money you have. But the problem we have is with the store menu. There's a little bit more we need to do to the store menu. Should be in the list, but when we go here, I just forgot what I was trying to do. So, oh, that's right, the top bar. So when we're trying to buy something, I can't believe I just forgot what. So when we're trying to buy something, we literally, you know, so this costs $2 and that's how much it weighs. But if we want to buy 5, or let's say 10, we'd have to do the math. This will cost $20 and that would be like 4 pounds. 4 pounds of this, $20 for $20 type of thing. But what we need to do is, we don't even know how much money we have, so we need to have a top bar here as well, so we know how much money we have. And this needs to sort of multiply with how much this number is, because this is how much you're going to buy type of thing. So that's what we need to do for that. Yeah, so that's what I just said we need to do. And also this, so I can prevent some things from, I should be able to quickly show you. Let's just get rid of this guy for now. If I go like this, and also I have to do that as well. Let me put that in there as well. Why did I close that? Okay, 1 second. Fix NPC type. We'll do that for now. All right, so we've got that. So this guy prison plug. So I'll show you what I mean. So the data table currently has all the items, right? But I want to make it so I can hide certain items. And what I do is I just update the data table, and then I determine if it's going to be shown or not. So that's something I need to do. And then why do I keep closing this, man? Okay. All right, so let's change this guy back. Let's do this fix right now, actually. This is all wrong. Like it should, like whatever this is should be determined by that, which we can do inside the thing. So commissary, we'll just make this a normal commissary guy. Then we can go inside here. We'd have to go to the master. See, this is not exposed for starters. So if we exposed it on the master, then we can just like determine what type of NPC it is. Actually, then we can just have like a master NPC. Interesting. Oh no, that's right. We can have different classes for different types and have different logic and components in each one. So we need to remove this. I don't know why I did this in the last stream. Not this one. Here, store type. What's this nonsense? We can just go like that. This is just making so you can't really bump it. It's really all you can do. So these are the two we want exposed on that one, and then this one will be why is NPC type at the bottom. So now we can just go like this, say there can be a commissary worker or a plug. You could call it a nurse if you wanted to, but this guy is just a commissary worker. And then get NPC type. Wait, actually, that's actually what's... We don't need to have that variable at all, actually. Say commissary worker, alright. Okay. So there's that fixed. Now we need to reposition the interrogation room because I don't like the position of it. Because like for newbies, when they're coming out here, it's obvious that here, that is the cells. But when you come in here, like see this there, before I put that there, I used to get, right at the start, I got confused of which one's the commissary. So this needs to be way down here, I think. This makes it obvious, but I want it like this is somewhere frequent you're going to be going. So I want it to be obvious that the only door here on this side here is literally the commissary. Maybe we can put it in the middle. I think it will look better. Yeah, it would look better. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to move this and this. We're going to have this on down here. And I think we can have the door here. So then when you come in here, you see the door. It'll look good. That's what I want to do. So let's start by doing this. So where would it be? What's his... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one needs to move over 1. Shit. Hopefully I can... Oh shit. Forgot the blueprint, so who cares for now? Which way was it? This way. Okay. Really? Okay. All right, so now it's in the middle of this. But they... Okay, save this. Whoops. Okay. Let's just go in game, make sure that's all good. Wait, let me just check if I actually posted the thing. Oh, yeah, okay. All right, let's go. Hopefully everything is at the right distance for the door, yeah. Oh, these guys as well. These are blueprints as well. As a character, but this one would be better to work out. There we go. All right. Oh, the lights. Oh no. All right. What's this? This one first. Okay. Okay, that's a better position, I think. Or is it? Is that even the... Is this an odd number or something? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2. There we go. That's the center. All right. Now we need to move the interrogation. Right here, I think it will look cool. So we need to get rid of that. Oh, wait. Move this. I bet you there's blueprints in here. Yeah, these are all blueprints. Shit. Alright. Wait, no, that should be good like that, and should be able to just... I'll come back and fill this gap, but we need to find all the blueprints, which is that. Is that a blueprint? Yeah. Shit. All the lights as well. Fucking hell. Clock. That's a blueprint as well. Is that a blueprint? Must be. That's not a blueprint. That's not. Okay. That might be. Is it? No. That's everything there. Need to get that and that. This, that, this, that, and that. Hopefully. Oops. That is all. Nothing left behind. Save that. This. Extend this. Duplicate. Bang. There you go. I think that's much less confusing. Maybe I'll make that a rule. I won't put doors very close to each other. Like, you know, because say it was some random hole and there's a door here and a door there, it's like you'll forget which one's which. Small things like that matter, you know? Okay. There's that done. Alright, add scales to the thing, to the items. What's it gonna be actually? I think it's a float. Yeah, a float, and then you open the transform maybe. We'll find out. All right, save all this stuff. Scale. Let's just assume it's a float. Or is it scale? It's got to be a float. Or maybe a location. So where should I put it? Where's the mesh? Just put it there. So let's see what type of scale we need, but where is it? What's a more realistic size? Zero 0.8. I think that's more of a realistic size, not that much smaller. Yeah, that's more of a realistic size, I think. 0.8 for that. That's the only scale we need to change. Oh, wait, where's the... Interesting. Let's get one of these out. It's literally the same width type of thing. Oh, no, definitely not. It's maybe 0.8 on this as well. Yeah, I think that's way more realistic size, 0.8 on both of them. Let's just see how big these are. Are these like way too big? No, that's like a normal size for something like that. So the only ones that need to change would be the cans. Where's the pickups? Did I just delete the pickups? Which one? Leave the pickup. Put it in the corner here. Okay, so let's go into the data table. Just quickly make these. Shit. I thought it would be yellow. Where is it here? Where is it? Scale. It's 0 because that would be 0 now. Where is it? Scale here. Scale. Okay. Okay, that's normal size. Let me double check that is actually normal size. Yeah. Okay. Oh, is it? Ah. Is it like it's the same size now? Why isn't it? It's not setting the actual scale. How do you fucking set the scale of this thing, bro? What the fuck is going on here? It must be this. There we go. Shit. Okay. What the fuck? Alright, there's that done. So now we can just quickly do these. To quickly get all these done. Get it here. Shout out to the one watching on YouTube. We got that. Space. Missed that one. Everything else is scale 1. Alright. Wait, how about the drinks? That's a realistic size. Realistic sizes for them. Okay. So there's that done. Oh, wait. Interesting. So now when it comes out of the inventory, we need to because there is no universal thing for that. So the inventory. Oh, that's right. Okay, that's it. I'm spawning the actor. I don't have to add the scale there, type of thing, manually anyway. Alright, there's that. So that's good. That's that done. Oh, it's a crash, I think. Yeah, it's frozen up. The crash. Sticks unsaved. Shit. Not this again, man. Unreal Engine and task. Okay. Why does this keep happening? Okay, there it is. Alright, add scale. That's done. Do the top bar next to the store. Make it so store item cost weight. We'll do that straight away. We might as well do this actually. Okay. Pick up. Just make sure all this is all good. Yeah. Okay. So we need to just, this is going to be very simple, this one. Where is it? Okay, we can start there, and then when this happens, when this buy amount changes, we need to do something. Increment, decrement, input. I wasn't even, uh, what am I doing? I need to work out where this is being. It just happens here, by the look of it. Price text. So we need to update this. This is the two I need to update into this. I could make a function for that because I need to do it multiple times now. Uh, what the fuck? So two floats. item weight, price, weight. Okay. What's the difference here? Price, weight. It's not, there's no difference. Okay. Oh shit. That's all right. I can just go like this. Okay.
Thanks for the follow.
Hopefully I can see it. Shout out for the follow. Sorry, mate. It's a pretty cryptic looking name there. uh, so update item details. I should just go like this. Oh wait, no, that's the amount to buy. That can be there, and then okay. Better this way. The buy amount gets set to the buy amount should not get updated there. Actually, not there. It should be here. So we update the buy amount text, and then we can update this afterwards, actually. So when the increment changes, it updates properly. But we just have to do some math here. But here, we can just set it straight to the amount to buy, which is that. So now this, we need to work out the price, which will be the buy amount. Is this getting set somewhere? It should. Oh wait, no, it's getting passed through. Exposed spawn, so that multiply. Oh no, the price. Multiply by the buy amount, which would be the amount to buy. We need to change the amount to buy actually. Where's this getting? Make sure this is getting set properly. Okay, that's when it spawns, it's set to 20 or 1. The fuck? What? Oh yeah, this is the details. That's right. Yeah, okay. The amount to buy gets set here. Okay, amount to buy. Okay. Okay, that's what we need to do. Yeah. So amount to buy times, well, the price times the amount to buy, which would be the new price. And fuck, we don't have the weight value. Interesting. So we've got the price. We're just gonna do another one of these. The weight we don't have. We can add some weight. The price gets passed through like that. Shit. Um. I have to do that math here as well. Okay, that's where the price needs to come through there. Okay. So here this needs to be the amount to buy. It needs to be in here at least. Oh shit. This doesn't need to go through here. We just don't need to set that. Doesn't need to be exposed or set on spawn. But we should store it. This is the only way we can store it. That and like that. And like that. I had to do the fucking math, man. At least once here. Okay. Okay. So now that should work. Now when I'm in the store, it would like, I won't know how much money I got because I haven't got this top bar here. But say, where is it? Consumables. So this should be, yeah, $20, $40, $50, $60, $100. There's no weight to it, that's why it's 0. But say I wanted to get some of these, I can go bang like this. Or I can go 100. Ah, this input, I need to work out what this input changed, text changed or whatever it's called. There has to be an event for it. This. Call when the text is committed. When they press enter, yeah. Not when it changed. We want this one, I think. Jeez. It would have to be that on enter. There's no logic if they actually put like text into it, like characters into it, but this is what we're just I'll figure that out later, because that's a problem. That will be a problem. Yeah, like I need to just check if this is an actual integer. Is integer maybe? I don't know. I need to check if that's an actual integer, but I don't know how to do that right now. So we got that. What's this nonsense? So this is what we need to set this to. Don't tell me I have to do this math all the time. Because all I'm doing is timesing it by that. So let's do something here. Let's do update values with the boolean. So we don't update the values there, but if we update the values, but I don't even know the price. I need to work out the price anyway. Shit. So this is just how we're gonna do it. Tried to work out a way without doing, like maybe doing this inside here, but you can't really do that. Let's go. Shit, no way. Okay. Need to rebuild the map as well. Won't do that on stream. It takes a little bit. Let's go a couple energy drinks, 4 like that, and then if I go like this to 100, it should be 200. 1, 50. What the fuck are these? Look at these numbers, bro. Look at these numbers, bro. What's going on here? What's going on here? These are some insane numbers. The weight's not correct. All right, let's resume. Wow, that was insane. I've never seen that type of shit happen before. Like the buy amount is a editable text box. Get text, which will be just that. Okay, all right. That's still good. That's how you doing, Zuza? How you doing, mate? Welcome to the stream. So right now I'm trying to make like look at this. This is hilarious. Like I don't even know how this is happening. But what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to make the values multiply and stuff. You can't see your money right now. There's going to be, this is going to be up there soon. But for now, why is this guy, or why are we all black? Black just here. Interesting. Okay. So whatever that problem is. Okay, so bang, bang, bang. It's adding, it's not, shit. So this is the problem right here. That's the right math there, but this is not the right math here. We need to do a different type of math here. Let's just put these up here, make it easier to put that there. Let's just go like that. Price weight. So increment. This would, we're only increasing it by 1. We're increasing it by this much. That'll be 20 times. Oh, the price has not been changed. That's one of the problems. So update. All right. Let's start from the beginning. So 20 would be updates. The price be times 20 or times 1. Okay, that's good. And if they increase it by 1, it should be the same logic actually. Yeah, this will be timesing. I don't know why this is confusing me right now. So we want to increase it by 20 or 1. Okay, here's the problem here. Oh, wait. No, that's pressing the fucking button, bro. Okay, that's just pressing the button and it's setting the amount to buy, which is this. I mean, okay. What is it? Oh, it's timesing the weight. That's what. Yeah, mate. Interesting. All right, let's say it's 1, and then we set it to 10. It'd be times 10. Setting that to times 10. Oh, okay. Price text, weight text. Interesting. That's not the one I'm looking at. This is the one that's wrong. That's right. It's timesing it no matter which way I'm doing it. Because the amount to buy is the only thing that's changing. The fuck? Oh, the cigarettes. Oh, is that the problem? Oh, wait, no, it can't be. No, the cigarette. Why is this confusing me, man? So 20. Will be $1 times 20, $20. 20 weight. Setting it. Setting the text. Done. Then when we increase it, we'll times it. I'd have to do the opposite of times. And why can't I figure out what that is? Well, this is only. Interesting. That's literally just increasing and decreasing. So this will be wrong, this logic. Oh, I think because this is the wrong way around. Because it'll be 1.4 times, I don't think it matters. Okay, let's see if it actually just working. $2.8. $4 1.6 or $8 1.6. That's not right. That's not right. That's not right. What's going on here? Why are these numbers increasing like that, bro? What's going on here? That's like $170 million. Oh wait, no, look at this. What's this going on here? What's this? Oh, ignore the .io. So it's like this. These are big numbers, bro. What's going on here? What happens when I decrease? It's getting bigger because it's only timesing it. Interesting. No way. Oh, okay. That's the problem there. The increment. That's the problem right there. The increment and the decrement. Because if I go like this, theoretically now, like this should be, like, if I do it just with the input, it should be it should be logical. So what's this, like, you know, one's $2, so less 10, so 10. All right, now let's do 20. Should be 40 and 8 pounds. It's adding a zero for some reason. So this should be 800 and 160 pounds. What? How? It's like 1 times 1, or you know, what is it? It's like 10 times 1. 10 times 1. 10 times 1. Or 10 times 10. And then if it changes back to 10 times 1, it should come back to 10 times 1. Because look.
Thanks for the follow.
Shout out for the follow. I'm getting, they look pretty like sketchy, those users, usernames. I don't know if they're bots or 2 bots, I think, followed me on Kick. What? The only thing I can think of is this. I mean, does it matter which way you times it? I don't think it does. These are some big increases, man. Like, maybe I feel something, I need to reset something. Like, But it's getting set here. And here. Let's increase, decrease. I mean, what, like, how on earth are those numbers increasing like that? It's literally setting it. Now it's setting it to 0. What? Oh, okay. Maybe if I plug it in. What's this one? Look, it's getting set, getting set, getting set. Okay. That needs to happen. That needs to happen there, there, and here as well. I know the buy amount's getting updated here. This is the response. Okay. Okay. Like, it's simple, man. Like, there's no way. These are some massive numbers, bro. I can guarantee you right now, you could. And why is there a decimal here? Something like something's wrong, bro. Like, it, this is the problem, probably. I think. No, $1.50 on that, and then this one will be 1.1. Okay. Okay, let's just forget that for now. What is it? Forget that one for now. Make the top bar. This is something we can do really quick. Shit. Oh, well, there's our first crash, I think, was it? Oh. I don't know what's to go with that integer value, just, or the floats. Am I just completely like not thinking of something? It's probably something simple that I'm not even thinking about. Okay, let's go into it. Make sure this is open. We need to get to here. Hide from store. Okay, the only one we want to hide is this. Now we're generating the NPC component. Why can't I click on this stuff? Okay. Okay. So now we should be able to not see it in the menu. Contraband, prison plug. Beautiful. So these are the only ones you can really buy. Make it so store item cost weight updates in details menu. That's what, okay. Top bar, that's something we need to do. So we know how much money we got when we're in the store. Right now I've just got this built into the inventory. This top bar right here, boom. Copy. Let's make our own. So we can use it in multiple widgets. We just turn it into like a module. Widget blueprint, top bar. Okay, we also need to do, where is it? Top bar content. access cards here. Because we don't want to show we don't want to show the access cards inside the store, but only the inventory, obviously. So we can do this with expose on spawn, and then we can go like this. Show access cards, hide access cards. Okay, beautiful. The things we need to worry about. Alright, so these are the ones we want to do, and then we need an event, a button. Click the event. Is it like that? And then you call that. Oh, what are we doing here? Okay. That's all we need is that logic to be able to come here and have the events in here. So theoretically, if I go like this, remove top bar. Yeah, whatever for now. No. So look, show access cards, not show access cards. What type of width we need? I think that's what it was, 75. Ah, shit. Shit. PCs, get pay cigarettes. Get player money. Get pay cigarettes. Okay, so that should be good. Top bar, this is all looking good. This should all still work. Now I can just add this to the store. Top bar. Show access cards, bang. So now it should be good. This is all working. This is not working. Interesting. Okay. I need to do this logic. That's right. Bang, bang, bang. So the top bar, this, unclicked. Okay. Oh, that's right. We need to bind that. How do we bind each? So inmate card. We don't need that happening. So the cards, I feel like, where was I doing it? The problem is, this is a base button. Oh, wait, no, it's a normal button. Let me try something. Surely this has got a clicked event on it. Let's just put it here. On mouse button down. So what we're going to have to do is going to be a lot cleaner, I think. Yep. Yeah, fuck off for now. Okay, inmate card. Shit. I don't know why it does that. It's stupid. Resets the size. Oh wait, you can't disable images and enable them, can you? Oh, it is enabled. There we go. Let's just see what that looks like. Hopefully it's gonna have a yeah, good. Wait, is that a good size for the yeah, that's the fuck? Look at this extra bit of nonsense we got here. It's the easiest way we're gonna do it. What's this? Handled. All right. This is just gonna make it easier for us to work with. What? What's this? There's always this weird error. Oh, that's right. Inmate. Unclick inmate card. Unclick maintenance card. Unclick restricted card. Okay. Maintenance. Restricted. Okay. The maintenance. Restricted. Now we're going to go to here. So this is get inmate card status. Get maintenance card status. Get restricted card status. So now theoretically, beautiful. Now if we click it, that's working nicely. Do the cards look weird for some reason? Let's just see if the top bar works for the store as well. I bet you it's below. Oh no, it's good. Yeah, perfect. At least you know how much money you got. Okay. What type of images are these? Card. Would this one look better? No. What the fuck am I undoing, bro? What the fuck am I undoing, bro? Fuck. You fucking serious? This is fucked up for some reason. Restricted card, duplicate. Okay. Cards as check. Inmates. Okay. Get inmate card status. Get maintenance card status. Restricted card status. All right. Inmate, maintenance, restricted. What the fuck? Inmate? Why is this? Okay, inmate. Maintenance. Why is it? Fuck off, man. I don't know. It was just playing up there. And it was literally 3 different functions, but updating one like changed the others. Like some quantum entanglement fucking. What the fuck? Alright, but anyway. Shout out to the 2 watching on YouTube. We're an hour and 40 minutes in. Oh. Restricted card status. I mean, main 10 ants. Maintenance. Inmate. Oh, inmate. Maintenance. Okay. Duplicate. Restricted. Restricted card access status. This should be restricted. Maintenance, inmate. Maintenance, restricted. Beautiful. So this is inmate. Maintenance, restricted. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I think that's good. We can still click on it. That's all that matters. Oh, there's the top bar done. Let's make sure it's still good on the store. Beautiful. Now the only thing is this thing's bugged. Alright, so we've done everything I wanted to do. This all needs to this is probably what we'll be working on in the next stream. But there's all these little things I want to do. There's that bug we got. This is some ridiculous bug. If you've only just joined the stream, like, this is a ridiculous bug. This is really all that's left that I wanted to do is... Because look how much that number's increasing, man. That's insane. But, and there's also a decimal point there. Like, look. Like, what's that mean? Like, it's just something. Something's happening. What the? What? Interesting. Well, that's sitting at times 20, so that times 20. If the increase, if that changes, it should just be like boom. If that changes, should be just like bang. Like, then it's got a new price type of thing. I think that's the issue there. is that that's getting changed. Because it's a certain price. And that price needs to stay. For starters. I think I can fix this up by doing this. Yeah, this is the issue. Look. That's the logic. The price and the price is already set, but the weight needs to be set. Now this logic should work. So the weight is set properly. Could theoretically pass through the weight as well. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, okay. Okay. Because it's just from the slot. Okay, so we'll just go like that. So now it should be correct. Okay, so $100. So there's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 400, 300. Okay. So that's working properly now. 10 grand for 100 access cards. 10 pounds of access cards. Alright, you obviously do not have enough. Insufficient cigarettes, needed 10,000. Fuck me dead. Alright, well at least that's good now. That's done, that's done. This is all done. Beautiful. That's all I really wanted to do. I think there's a couple other small things. A couple other small things I'll try and work out. Oh, that's right, there's that. The inventory. The box. Okay. If the world address. Okay. So body stash. Oh, we'll just call it a body stash. Because you're essentially stashing stuff on your body. So like I guess we'll leave it because that's how you can do corrupt stuff. You know, maybe you stash something on your body and then you give it to an inmate. You know, that can be done. We'll just leave it like that. So there's that. That's good. Make sure that logic is working properly. Yeah. Okay, there's nothing else I really need to do. I just need to. So this might be the final build. The final inventory and store build. Let's change this guy back for starters. Yeah, you haven't seen that yet. It's how you buy stuff now. And this is using it. Drinking, eating. Why didn't the drink update? Oh, now it did. Must have been heaps. All right, so there we go. That's one other thing I wanted to do. Change the. This is a no CD. Fix this one. Okay, large meal, small meal. Yeah, large meal, small snack. Beautiful. All right, that's good there. Beautiful. Let's double check the store's all good. Everything's, let's make sure nothing broke in the inventory. Not that it would have. Okay, we can still do this. We can still split it. Beautiful. We can drag from thing to thing. Oh, okay. Put my chocolate bar in there as well. Save that for later. Beautiful. Body stash, private stash. Oh, this is the logic here that we need to fix. Because we don't need to check that here because it's happening right here. And also here. So we need to know if they... So this doesn't need to be there. E-cigarettes. So we can do the different types of these. Ranch. Purchase cigarettes. Purchase normal item. Okay. Shit. Have to somehow get this value. Get fucked. NPC character. NPC character. Okay, so that's purchasing. Okay, purchase inventory item cigarettes. Now we need to work out if it actually ends up getting added to their inventory, and then we can determine. I'm gonna have to like pass this type of stuff through here. Let's see if I can buy cigarettes for starters. $50 starting, nice. You don't have to think this logic through. Instead of trying to do it through here and then go through here, then handle it all through here, I'm just going to have to do like check for empty slot. It'll be the best way to do it. I do the checks here. See if it will fit. If not, sending the message there instead of putting it through here and getting the message to be sent here. Because what I would have to do is literally, try and put it into the inventory. Or maybe if I can just do it in the same thing, like will item fit in inventory? First I'll check the weight, and then I'll do another one and check if there's an empty slot. So at the bare minimum, and then I'd have to see if it can stack as well, just in case there's another item and it wants to stack it. Yeah, this is going to require a little bit of logic. Yeah, this is actually going to require a little bit of thinking. So only if it actually fits. Maybe I can do a different function, try and add item to inventory, and then try to add the item to the inventory, and then I can pass these values through into that event, and then I can determine if I can just call back this event here and just get them to pay. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. That's what I need to do. What happened here? There and here. Okay. So that's what I need to do. I just need to do a little bit more thinking to make sure it's actually going to fit in their inventory type of thing, and then purchase the item. This is happening on the server owning client, so this doesn't need to be replicated. Okay. Okay. Or run on the server, I should say, in multicast to a certain degree. So that's all I need to do. So let's finish off by logic for store. So that's what I need to do. So that's pretty much, we've pretty much hit a brick wall now. I'd have to really think about this, like the best way to do it. We could probably just start building it now, like yeah, it has to be a new function where I can pass these values through just in case I need them. Check everything, the weight, yeah, I'd have to rethink this. I'd have to rethink it. Yep. Yeah, it definitely has to be a new event where I can pass this stuff through so I have it if I need it. Because I have to pass it back through into here this way by calling this and getting the purchase stuff to happen to purchase. Purchase inventory item. Are you kidding me? Purchase store item. Buy store item. Finish purchase. Finish store purchase. Okay, so what do you reckon we can do next? Anything? Finish store purchase. Okay, finish store purchase. Beautiful. Okay. Or I can just do the logic in here. Oh, we're already in the inventory, so this is where the logic's going to be working. Try and add item to inventory is going to be called. Try and add item to inventory. And then like if it returns like a boolean can be added, cannot be added. And then we if it can be added, we call that. If it can't be added, we just send them a message. Yeah, I think that's probably going to be the best way to do it. Yeah. We'd only have to pass these values through. Yeah. That's what I have to do. I have to do this. I can do it here before I do this. I can do another. So if it's a water inventory, I have to do that one. If it's not, I have to do this one. And then we can just go 4 each. Break that. And then if this equals empty, if that equals empty, then they can. It's all good. It's like this. Let's just do it. What did you miss? Nothing much really, just a bunch of little fixes. If you just joined, did you just join now? But you probably noticed the walls look a lot more cleaner. There was like a blue tint on it, but I just made them completely white. It looks so much better. And like also it makes this look better over here because I made white tiles on the floor here. So the bathroom looks so much like a bathroom now. But see all these white lines? Watch that, they'll disappear in a couple seconds. I don't know why. I mean, it disappeared before. Stat FPS, but look at the frames we're getting. Well, I get 80 frames a second now in the game when I'm not streaming. But right now I've got 60 frames a second with like all this stuff open, multi-streaming to 3 different platforms. It's only taken about 20 frames. So I usually get about 80 frames. But there's the new bathroom. Yeah, I just got here. Yeah, so there's a new bathroom. I changed the walls to pure white instead of like a blue tint. Here's that, and I just changed the tiles. Like so we got blue tiles in here as well. So that's what all I've done there, and then obviously as you can see, we've got the top bar here for the inventory, so you can see how much money you got. But you can also see it in yeah, okay, beautiful. That doesn't matter. But yeah, you can. What happened? Why can't I buy? What the? Something happened. The purchase was all messed up. Maybe because I changed some of this stuff. Alright, first item. Let's get maybe okay. So empty stash. Shout out to the free watching on YouTube. Okay. Oh, that's right. It's getting added to the inventory, but we're not going for the purchase things. Unless I do that. Let's get a chocolate bar. Alright. Yeah, so that's what I need to do. Just so it's actually going to work properly. Because what would happen if you've got a full inventory with no empty slots, and say you can't stack, say you want to pick up an item and it cannot stack anymore in any of the slots, and then it will actually look for an empty slot, and if there's no empty slots, it's going to send you a message saying there's no empty slots. But see, I need to do those checks here, or at least in a function here, and then call this after those checks are made. So, but will item fit? Yeah. Oh, that's right. I'm doing the same logic here. So, will item fits? Interesting. So I'm checking the weight. So this is getting all the weights. This is trying to find an empty slot. Once it finds an empty slot, we can go like that. And then once it does that, we can go like that. But this needs to go here. Item will not fit. All right, beautiful. Oh, interesting. Oh, wait, shit. It's got to pass both of these. So if the weight, if it's not, it won't fit in a way, it's not going to fit. Full stop. Else, if there's an actual empty slot, then there would be. Local item will fit. Item won't fit. Else, if the weight's good, we need to. Shit. This, oh wow, shit. An empty slot. Oh yeah, because it's only going to try and find an empty slot. Oh shit. Yeah, I have to like think about this logic a little bit more, I think. Shout out to the two watching on YouTube. Why isn't the money being taken? Oh, this needs to be a not boolean. So finished or purchase. If it's cigarettes, we want to take money. So that needs to be a not boolean. Shout out to the free watching on YouTube. Okay. Okay. Your cigarettes have been added. What? Your cigarettes have been added? Oh, interesting. Okay. Keep saying your cigarettes have been added. Ah, interesting. We're getting there. Just a little, some technicalities. Let's get some mad snacks. Let's get some spiced crackers there. Your purchase has been added. Obviously, I can't buy. Okay. I don't want it closing all the time because maybe you want to buy multiple stuff like this. So it'd be faster. Be a pain in the neck if it always closes. I can close it myself. So we can go bang, 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 like that. Quick draw. Oh, look at this little poor bloke over here. Look, the light, the lighting's still like where it's meant to be. Okay. Where's this poor guy over here? He doesn't know what's going on over here. I'm floating, bro. I'm floating. There we go. Any other anomalies? Okay. So does that shout out to the one watching on YouTube? Yeah, so that's what I've got to do. Yeah, I need to do some checks here. Oh, wait, no, the checks are here. That's all I'm doing for now, okay? That's all I'm doing for now. So how's this going to work, but? So, so it's calculating all the weights. Once the weight is fine, it's not more than the max weight, we're good to go. Like, it will actually fit somewhere in the inventory. And then if we actually find an empty slot, this has got no stack logic, but I'm going to have to do like a stack logic, add stack logic to that. So the only way you can buy an item is if you've got an empty slot for it. For now, anyway, that's what's going to happen. That's all. That's all we got to work with. Will item fit? Boom. That's all I'm doing for now. Literally, it's not a world inventory. If item will fit, we're good to go. Okay. But if they're not, we can just send them like a universal message saying that item will not fit in your inventory. Your purchase will not fit in your inventory. Your purchase will not fit in your inventory. Okay. So there's that done anyway. That's what I wanted to do anyway, most of it, for the most part. So if it's cigarettes, if it's not cigarettes. Yep, I think that's us. That's what I wanted to do. Let's just go to this and just consider it done. Okay. Consider it done. Everything should work properly. I think I just deleted those save files. Okay. Everything's working. Everything's working. Everything's working nice. Yeah, so if I maintain the 80 frames on average a second, you should be getting like 120 frames a second on this game. So it'll be heaps smooth gameplay in it. Because it's really not a complex game. So boom, get one of those. Boom, get one of those. Get one of those, get a pack of smokes. Okay, so the drinks and the food are not, the money's not coming. It's taken the wrong money. Interesting. Okay, so the wrong money's getting taken here. Interesting. Okay, so this can't be that, for starters. Can't be a not Boolean. It's either yes or no, that's what it is. So there we go. Should be good now. That was just a little technicality there. Wasn't quite as logic as it should be. Let's just make sure all this functionality is still good. We're good to go. Shout out to the one on YouTube, watching on YouTube. Bang, $2. $2. Should be go to 26 and 20. Interesting. Ah, okay. Okay. There you go. And I haven't even checked if they've actually got enough to take. And this is not going into the red. Didn't think of that until now. Make sure give/take functions for currency does not drop below 0. At least for the take. You can keep giving them as much as they want. But this is, I think I just need to flip this. So, all right. So so we're giving them the cigarettes. We now need to take their money. Okay, that's going to take their money, and that's not going to take their money. Should take cigarettes. So should take cigarettes. So if we want to take the cigarettes, then we want that to be like that. And if we're taking the cigarettes, should be like this then. What the fuck? I'm getting confused now with this thing. No, we want to take money there, and we want to take money here as well. Okay. That's what's happening. So that should be good now. Oh, not another fucking crash. I think that should be good now, but... I mean, I haven't changed my in the room I'm in. I haven't changed a light bulb in probably over 10 years. And I just put a new one in and bro, it's bright. Like that other thing was so dim. I didn't realize it. Like the light was ridiculous. But this thing, you can, it's like an X-ray. You can see through the fucking walls with this thing on. I'm telling you, me dead. All right. So hopefully that was all saved. Everything's saved. Let's just save everything in here. So we need to remove this. Alright, let's go. Let's go. This should be good now. Okay. $50, $48. What the fuck is going on here? So if we want to take cigarettes, oh, I know what to do. Fuck me, dead. Your cigarettes. For the love of God. Is purchase cigarettes. Okay. So is the purchase cigarettes? Yes. Is the purchase cigarettes? No. So if it's purchase of the cigarettes, we forget about that. We just want this branch. So we're always going to take money because this is the only time you're going to get the cigarettes. He's purchased cigarettes. True. Bang, bang. Okay. So that should be the logic. Let's just double check everything. Not that this inventory's got anything to do with the store, but let's just do it. Yeah, beautiful. Boom. Pick that bad boy back up. Beautiful. Bang. Alright. $50. You can't really see it. Let me just close this. Alright, so we've got $50, $48, $46, $20. Another 20 should be go to $6.40. Boom. Okay, beautiful. $6, another drink. Beautiful. So there we go. It's working beautifully now. Beautiful. Let's have a drink. Let's have a feed. Beautiful. So there we are. That's what we want. Okay. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. That's us. That's that done. Oh, that's right. I need to check if they have enough to take. Check to see if they have enough to take. Check to see if they have enough currency to take before taking it. I think I actually do that logic in the code that I'm doing anyway, but I'm just going to put that there. All right, so there's that. That's good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. Save all, clean up any redirectors, go like that. Go that, delete that. Force delete. Clean that. Save all. Go to build and start building this bad boy. So at least the store and the inventory is done. We can move on to other stuff, you know what I mean? Like, I've just really got to finish off the weapon system so it's working properly. We'll probably do that in tomorrow's stream. Because I've been going for almost 3 hours now on this stream, so some people like to watch them. I'm assuming some people might like to watch them after the fact. And, you know, 3 hour stream is doable, but 4, 5, 6 hour streams, not happening. But we'll wait for this to build. And then we close some of this stuff. But I think we're good to go. Shout out to the one watching on YouTube. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Consider subscribing. It helps a lot. You know, with getting the streams and that out there, but all right, beautiful. I like this. I like how the commissary is now in the middle there. It just looks sick. Like, you know, commissary's in the middle here. And like, and when you're coming this way, like, you'll see a door. Instead of just saying, like, you know, blank wall, there's a door there. And it's obvious that it's down, like, this one you will never access. It's obvious type of thing. But this one, accessible. Let's make sure everything in here is still good. No clocks just sitting in the middle of nowhere or anything. Okay, no, this is good. And the good thing about this is I can, like, literally drop this level down again, and this is going to be our menu. Our menu is going to be literally this exact room. Like, there's going to be like a prisoner standing here, and then you'll be able to change his clothes, change, you know, skin color and all that type of stuff. And that's going to be the menu right there. And if I update this level, bang, the main menu will update. So it's the exact same thing, but 2 different places. And that is going to be like way up here. So you'll spawn in the main menu up here. So when you join the game, you'll go into the main menu, and then you'll work out if you want to be an inmate or a CO, and then bang, you'll spawn down. So if you're a CO, you'll spawn at the CO spawns, but if you're an inmate, you'll get allocated a cell, and that will be your spawn point. And then if you go back to the main menu, bang, you'll spawn back up here. And then you can, like, so it'll be like instantaneous, like going to and from the main menu will be instantaneous because you're literally in the same fucking level. Because dedicated servers, it's a limitation with dedicated servers. You can't have 2 different levels. I mean, you can have a main menu level, like a proper main menu level. Like, you're going to need that to be able to create servers and all that type of stuff. But I'm talking about, like, the menu in the game. Because there's 2 different classes, and it's going to be a very frequent situation where someone's going to need to you know, change over to a CO just so the gameplay can be done, type of thing. You know, say there's 3 inmates, or 3 inmates and 1 CO, and then that CO leaves. One of those inmates can change into a CO, and you can do that at any time very quickly, type of thing. So it's going to be like a sub main menu inside the level. The main menu is where you create and join servers, and that can be a different level. But, you know, going, well, I guess we can do it all that stuff in the actual main menu. It doesn't really matter, does it? And I can use this exact same level instance in the, we'll see how it does. I think we can do it either way. But look at the efficiency. Look at the unloading of all these levels, all these level instances and the lighting. But why isn't the lighting turning off? Or it is, sort of. But there we go. Beautiful. Bang. Beautiful. All right, so that's probably us. Everything's looking nice now. Those cans are a much more realistic size. What I want to do is I want to check out the size for the small cans. So what do you reckon, guys? You reckon everything looks better now? Yeah, it's a much more realistic size. Yeah, it's a realistic size. Yeah, realistic size. Much more realistic. Oh no, look at this. You can the physics on the cans. Oh wow. Oh 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 oh. Oh, oh, that's sick. Oh man. Alright, so the physics is all a little bit messed up, but that's pretty funny. You walk like that and you just like bang, fall flat on your ass. Oh, oh. I don't even know what that would. It's just the physics. Like it'd be touchy as fuck. Look at that. I'm not touching anything. Now he's going back the other way. What the hell? What's going on here? It's like slippery, slippery. Oh, I think I know how to fix that actually. Can character step up on? No. Overlap events. Do we need any overlap events? I don't know. We'll make it less efficient. Less, what's it? Alright, so now that issue should be rectified. Let's just go grab a couple more different types of foods. Have I got enough money? I've got $3. I want to get one more drink. Let's go to that. Okay. So now that shouldn't be a thing. Oh, it still is. What the? Well, what I could do is this. There we go. I mean, it's stepping on top of it, but it's almost ignoring it. Why is he still stepping on top of it? The IK is still working on it. The IK is working, but see how I can't step on them now. Pretty much, they just stay there. They'd ignore. It's pretty much ignoring the pawn now. There's that fixed. So there we go. Nice. So there we go. We've got an inventory system, a stash system, personal private stashes, public stashes. We've got a commissary menu. And also contraband style versions of them. We're going good. We've got some good stuff happening here. I want to see how big this thing is actually. One of these and one of these. Yeah, I want to see how big these are. That's a realistic size. That's a realistic size. Is that too big? I feel that's way too big. We've got $11 should be enough. How about these noodles? How big are they? That's more of a realistic size, I think. Is that a realistic noodle size? Yeah, I think so. Wait, I got $7. Let's look at the can sizes. Yeah, I think those are realistic sizes. I feel like the noodles could be probably slightly smaller, but I think they're fine. I think that's a little bit too small. We're going to go with a 09, and that's what it's going to be. The noodles maybe slight. I think the noodles are fine. Let's make sure I got some money. Okay, let's just. Who cares? I'll buy some stuff. $50 again. Bang, 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 bang. That's all I want. One of these, 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 one of these. Oh shit. We're not fitting my inventory. Okay. I think that's all realistic. All realistic sizes. That's a pack of chips. That's a noodles. That's a tuna can, big can, small can. Yeah, I think those are realistic sizes. Which snacks don't I have? Small stack and let's get one of those and one of these. That isn't a thing because the packet is just fine. Let's go. Yeah, that's a good size. And that's a realistic size. So there you go. There's, you know, each style of our food. It looks mad how there's just a bunch of food sitting there. But this will happen all the time. People will be throwing items left and right. That's something I should do. Make it so they self-destruct. You know, just so someone doesn't throw 100 items down and then they're there forever. Into like we need some logic to be able to despawn time. So how many minutes do we want it to, or 300 seconds it would be, so 300 seconds would be 10 minutes. So 300, so 600 seconds would be 20 minutes. Ten minutes. 20 minutes. I'll just make it 30 minutes. It'll stay there for 30 minutes. So Google, how many seconds in 30 minutes? How many seconds in 30 minutes? 1800 seconds. Damn. Okay. Wait, 6, 12, 18. So despawn time. Event begin play. Oh, that's right. I can do a despawn item as well. So I can determine if it gets despawned or not. Should despawn. Alright, beautiful. So now we should have a despawn. Should despawn, yeah. This one we don't want it to despawn. I just want it to stay there. But by default it will despawn. We need to do when we create the pickup. The only time we create it. Okay, yeah, it should despawn. Okay, beautiful. So when you throw them from the inventory, they'll despawn. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. So now the pickup should be still there. Yeah, beautiful. But let's just give it a small time frame. Let's go 5 seconds. One, two, three, 4, 5. 5. Oh, that's right. It's not despawning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bang. Beautiful. Okay. 1800. So the item will only last half an hour. I hope that's not like super inefficient or something. But there we go. This one I don't want it to despawn. Okay, so there we go. Beautiful. There's a bunch of stuff done. This is all working perfectly now. Private stash, body stash. So what do you reckon, guys? We're looking good or we're looking good? I think we're looking good now. Alright, beautiful. That's pretty much everything I wanted to get done. So now we've got inventory system, perfectly working inventory system. What else we need to do? Actually, we need to do weapon system, and then we can make a drug system. Just so we can have the right amount of slots. Because what do we got? Store tabs. Yeah, drugs. So we got cars, we got weapons. We don't have any drugs or any contraband. So I need to make some sort of contraband. So that will be, then everything will be complete and working. Shit. I wasn't even doing this. Probably collapse that to a function. You can't. Okay, so food and drink will go here, and snacks. Consumables, no. Cards, different. Alright, so yeah, okay. Yep. Okay. All right, so there we go. It's everything I wanted to get done. What do we got here? Check to see if we have the right currency. Oh, yeah. That's just something simple I've got to do. All right, beautiful. Make drug system, finish off weapon system. Create a nurse NPC, clean up inventory code. One little fix there. Put some more, because each cell doesn't have a storage yet. I've only got one down there for me. Because I split the first player spawns in the first thing of cell block A, but I think that's good. I think that's where we want to be. Let's save that. Go like this. Leave that like that. Everything's looking good there. Let's get out of this, and let's do one last. Let's do after stream, May 29th. After stream May 29th. Beautiful. So there we are. So that's probably where I'm going to leave this stream, guys. Shout out to the one watching on Twitch. But yeah, that's probably where I'm going to leave it. So the next stream will be potentially finishing off the weapon system and finalizing everything for that. But right now, I've just got the store created. It's good to do another major backup now. So yeah, potentially, depending what I get done today, we most likely will be doing a stream tomorrow. If not the next day, the day after tomorrow. But we'll be most likely working on the weapon system, and then straight after that, the drug system. But anyway, guys, that's where I'm going to leave this stream. I hope you